A Jumpstart a Volkswagen Jetta 2007. Let me see your jumper box, because this is the one I use. I got several of these. Okay, it's similar. Yeah, where did you hook it up at? Okay, on the battery. That's the correct place.
Yeah.
Is it a key or a push to start?
Oh no, it's a key.
Okay.
It's a 2007.
Yeah, I did see that.
Yeah.
They were making some of them with push to starts at that time. Let me try it. I always do this. The battery's strong at the moment. That's about as long as you want to put an ignition forward. It says it's full.
Yeah, it is.
You think it's basically full?
Yeah, I filled it up. I think that was about maybe half an hour ago, so not that far from here.
Okay.
Or half an hour before I got here, I should say.
Yeah, you're going to have a tow truck or a mobile mechanic look at it. All I can do is a jump start. I knew I was close by, that's all. A lot of times they'll start when I do the things I'm doing, which yeah, it's not doing. Let me try one more thing. Try to start it in neutral. I didn't push the gas at all that time. Let's try that again. Hold on. I think the car was flooded. I didn't push the gas at all when I got it started here. She's got a vacuum hose off.
Is that EPC light still on?
Oh,
no, it went off.
I don't know, but it's running. I would go directly to where you're going without stopping.
Yeah, which is Galveston.
Well, you can always call roadside again if you need to. Someone will be there. I didn't push the gas at all. I think it might have been flooded. I do think you've got some kind of vacuum hose leak. I think that's what that is. If there's, like for example, if there's you know what a vacuum hose is, right?
Yes, my dad was a mechanic, so yeah.
Okay. If there's a vacuum hose that's unplugged, it will cause the computer to do weird shit. Excuse me.
Okay.
The shit gets weird when there's a vacuum hose unplugged. That's what I meant to say.
I think that's the other.
Yeah. I see that.
Oh. Yep, I think you got a. Oh, there we go.
I think it's good.
Okay.
So yeah, try to leave it running. You don't have a dead battery. You wouldn't start because it's probably a vacuum hose. Like for example, this might be a vacuum hose. I don't know if it is, but they look like this right here. They just look like they're just real flimsy hoses, and sometimes they come unplugged. That's a vacuum hose, for example. If one of those is unplugged somewhere, so basically you just need to have a computer technician to hook up the thing, and it'll tell you where the problem is.
Okay.
In the meantime, leave it running. Make sure you give me a 10 out of 10 review. I hope you get to where you're going.
Thank you so much.
All right. Another happy customer. Make sure you subscribe.